Hi guys, today I will show you what's coming in WordPress 5.5. So please watch a complete video until the end to learn what is the new feature in WordPress 5.5. I will show you with the live demo what and how these features work. So this will be a second major WordPress release of the year. It should be released on August 11, 2020. So before starting a video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icons for upcoming latest video. Now the first and the most important feature is enables update of plugins and theme. You can simply go to plugins and click on install plugins and click on enables auto update. And similarly, you can also enable auto update for a theme. Simple, go to appearance and click on theme, click on theme page, and here click on enables auto updates. So that is the amazing features because we don't need any plugin for enabling auto updates. Now we move to the second feature is default WordPress XML sitemap. So this is a great feature because in the previous version for creating XML sitemap we need extra XML sitemap plugins. But now WordPress automatically creates sitemap index files. Simple, go to website and write wp/sitemap.xml, and here you see all link that include page, post, taxonomies, categories as well as post, custom post types. So this is a great news for an SEO expert. And the last but not least most important feature is lazy loading image. Lazy loading image is a technique that show image only when users scroll down on your websites. So this is an important feature because lazy loading image will save lot of storage and improve the performance of WordPress website. It will also make your website fast, that is a good thing. Now the question is how you see lazy loading image is enabled or not. You can simply press Ctrl U and press F3 and it is search lazy. And here you see lazy attribute on that image. So this is also a great feature because again we don't need any extra plugins for image optimization. I hope this video helped you to get an idea of what's coming in WordPress 5.5. So please comment below and tell me which feature you like and what you want in the future release.